Assalamu alaikum, how are you? We have new lesson today. Its name Shariba. Okay, first letter is Sheen and top of the Sheen sign name Fatah. We will read it Sheen Fatah Shah. Okay, after that we have Ra and bottom of Ra Kasra sign, and we will read it Ra Kasra Ri. Shari, Shari. Okay, again repeat it with carefully. Okay, and with focus carefully. Sha, Ri. Okay, Shin Fatah Sha, Ra Kasra Ri, Shari, and last letter is Ba, Fatah Ba. Top of the Ba is Fatah sign. Okay, Fatah, Fatah. Fatah sign, and this one is kasra. Okay, shariba. Again I am repeating, you focus on this. Shariba, sheen fatah sha, ra kasra ri, shari ba fatah ba, shariba, sheen fatah sha. Read with me, sheen fatah sha. Again look on the lesson, sheen fatah sha. Top of the Shin is Fatah sign. Okay, Shin Fatah Sha, Ra Kasra Ri. It's Kasra sign. Bottom of Ra Kasra sign. Sha Ri, Sha and Ri. Ra Kasra Ri. And next one is Ba, and top of the Ba the sign name Fatah sign. Ba Fatah Ba. Sha Ri Ba. Repeat it again with spell and one time without spell. Shariba. Shin Fatah Sha. Ra Kasra Ri. Shari. Ba Fatah Ba. Shariba. I hope you understand now, and only 10 minutes. When you will repeat it, then you will expert in this reading. Thank you. Take care. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.